Did you learn how to hold something in your hand? Let me stop you from swinging so we can record you. And show Mommy how you bring that to your mouth. You learned how to hold something in your hand? What a good baby. Look at my smart little baby. Getting so big. Are your teeth bothering you? Did you learn how to hold that? Oh, you dropped it. Can you pick it up again? Can you pick it up again? Why are you sticking your tongue out at Mommy? Why you stick your tongue out at Mommy? Hi, Daddy. Here, let me give it back to you. Here. Give me your hand. Want to try it with your right hand? Let's see. There you go. There you go. Hold it. Hold it. There you go. Put it in your hand. There you go. Now carry it to your mouth. That's your teeth there. That's going to help your teeth. Oh, you dropped it. You were doing good with your other hand. Are you better with this one? I hope you're not a lefty. There you go. You dropped it again. Well, you did good. I love you. Bye. Say bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.